Hi, let's see how to resize and arrange the charts on your monitor. To arrange multiple charts on your monitor, this means watching 2 charts, 3 charts, or 4 charts at the same time. How can you do this? For those that love to multitask, you click on this button called Arrange Window. You probably didn't see it before. That's because I had a lot of tools on my screen. So, to make it come up, you have to delete one tool. Then you'll be able to see it and you click on it, and this is how to arrange your charts. So you can make one bigger by clicking on the maximize button, or you can adjust it in case you want to see more of one pair. For example, we can arrange Euro AUD to make it smaller. You can just tweak and adjust it to your style. Adjust it to whatever you like. You can also come here to adjust the price like this. Just press and swipe up or swipe down. If you messed up and the chart is unclear, just double click on it and it will reset. So that is how to adjust your charts. And if you want to adjust them back to make them all the same size, just click back on the Arrange Window button. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs here. Let's add one more pair. AUD per CAD, let's open a new chart window for it, and you can see that it is overlapping everything now. So let's make them all visible by clicking on Arrange Window. Now you can see it's showing the 5 charts at the same time. If you keep adding charts, it will find a way to arrange them together. Let's say you want to remove Euro per Australian dollar, and we make another chart bigger. But if we click on Arrange Window, it will arrange the charts in a very tidy way. Now remember, I've removed Euro Australian dollar. Let's say I remove Euro United States dollar, right? I have adjusted it to be 3. Let's get rid of another one. And this is how it looks when you just have 2 charts showing. See you on the next video, where we are going to see how to scroll back and move the chart on MetaTrader 5. See you there.